Time to go eat some food.
When you think Canada, you may not necessarily think about food. However, if you are visiting Canada, there's going to be certain foods that you should definitely not miss. We're gonna take you through our list of top foods to try while visiting Canada. All right, food item number one that you have to try when you're visiting Canada is by far going to be a smoked meat sandwich. Now, you'll probably get told that the best smoked meat sandwiches are found in Montreal. That is probably not a lie. If you are ever in Montreal, definitely stop at Schwartz and try their smoked meat sandwich. For us here though, we're in Kitchener-Waterloo and we stopped at Fireside Deli and Grill to try out their smoked meat sandwich. So, let's give it a go.
Hey, it's pretty full.
So, the signs of a good smoked meat sandwich, you've got your bread, you've got mustard, and you have a whole ton of smoked meat in the middle there. This looks fantastic, nice and juicy. So this is definitely what you want out of your smoked meat sandwich. Let's give it a try. Oh my God. Wow, that is good. It's a good smoked meat sandwich. So definitely try these out when you're visiting Canada.
Do you like it?
This is fantastic. Now I'm really sad I've never tried this because I've missed out on it for 4 years of me living here.
Okay, do you like this better than Schwartz?
Honestly, I cannot remember what Schwartz tastes like. We have to go and try again.
That's fair.
Yeah, it's a couple of years. I remember it being very good, but this is a much better deal. At Schwartz, you get this one.
Just half.
For $10. This, both this and that was $13. So you get 2 full sandwiches, and it's honestly super flavorful. The meat is falling apart, and a good amount of mustard, which I really enjoy.
Another thing to try when you're in Canada is a beaver tail. No, this is vegetarian friendly. It is not the tail of a beaver. Although I've heard that is really delicious. I've never tried it. Okay, a beaver tail looks like a beaver tail because it's a flat piece of pastry that's kind of ovally in shape. It's a piece of fried dough that is topped with some sweet topping. We always get the Nutella because it's so delicious.
If you like our content and you want to see more of it, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. And if you're enjoying this video, give us a big thumbs up. Last but not least, if you don't want to miss out on any of our future videos, hit that bell to get post notifications. You can also follow along on our adventures real time by following us on Instagram.
All right, here we go. It can get quite messy, especially if you get toppings.
What are some of the other toppings they offer?
M&M's, Reese's Pieces, marshmallows, banana rama, which is just this with bananas on it. There's also an odd one called a Poutine. It's a poutine and a beaver tail.
We're here outside in the parking lot of Smokes Poutine, and this is another treat that you must try when you come to Canada.
It is one that they'll probably say the best poutine you can have is in Montreal.
That's where it came from.
But you can get it everywhere.
Right. There are 3 key ingredients. Very easy. French fries, cheese curds, and gravy. That's the traditional, and it's what we got. You can hit up a lot of poutineries that will actually do toppings. I think pretty much all of them will do toppings, but we like it
pretty traditional.
Pretty traditional. So let's take a look. Pretty sure the guy asked us, and we said don't close it, but
I don't think he
it's
could hear.
closed. Yeah. Inside this
it's
box
loaded.
is a loaded, stuffed with French fries, cheese curds, and it's not poutine if it's not cheese curds, and lathered with gravy. That's it.
Apparently, the squeakier the curd, the fresher it is.
All right, let's see how squeaky these curds are.
I want to fry with it. Oh my goodness.
Relatively squeaky.
They're pretty squeaky.
All right. How is it, Tia?
Not bad. Can't go wrong with the traditional.
It's a very nice comfort food to have. And it's very filling too. So check them out.
Now, a trip to Canada wouldn't be complete without a stop at Tim Hortons. We've got two things here from Tim Hortons, a nice hot coffee and a pack of Timbits. Now, the Tim Hortons coffee, disclaimer, is not the best coffee out there, but you just gotta try it. It's also great if you're visiting in the colder months because you can keep your hands nice and toasty. We also have a box here of Timbits. You can get these in different sizes. We just have a 10-pack. Timbits, I believe in the States, are called donut holes. Here in Canada, Timbits are the only thing that we call these, and our recommendation of the Timbit that you should get is sour cream glazed. It is the best one that Tim Hortons has. So, let's eat. You can't leave Canada without trying one of these. These are Nanaimo Bars, and they're named after the city of Nanaimo in British Columbia. Now, these ones here are from the grocery store, and they're not as good as the ones you would actually find in Nanaimo, British Columbia. But if you are ever out there, they actually have a Nanaimo Bar map that takes you to each store in the area that sells Nanaimo Bars. These are basically a crummy base that has chocolate, nut, and coconut. It's got a custard middle, and then it's topped with chocolate on top. And they are absolutely just delicious. Do not leave the country without giving them a go. Thanks for joining us on this Canadian food tour. Have you tried any of these foods? Let us know in the comments below what your favorite was.